Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the update on what's happening with the C-band or the bug fixing updates. I get asked regularly here on the channel when they are arriving. So, of course, the second Tuesday of the month is always the security updates. Sorry. Now, towards the end of the month, we usually get bug fixes. So they have been released both for Windows 10 and for Windows 11 in release preview. So anybody that is on Windows 10 or Windows 11 on the Insider program in the release preview ring have gotten the C-band update security fixes. So that means they're now being tested both for Windows 10 and for Windows 11. That means that it's probably going to arrive next week. Usually when they are released, like, Tuesday or Wednesday of a week, they're usually released about a week later. So expect them to be, next week for everybody. Once again, this right now is for insiders and the release preview only. But they are now being tested. So as soon as they seem to be okay, they should be released. So the bug fixing updates, which will fix, of course, a high number of bugs. If you got problems with Windows 10 or Windows 11, maybe some of the fixes in here will help out. Hang in there. Next week is probably the time when we're going to get the C-band updates. They call them the C-band updates because Microsoft divides the month into four different letters every week. So it's like A, B, C, and D week. And it does happen that sometimes the C-band updates are kind of late and they do arrive more in like the D week than the C week. But, this is the way it works. And they're still called C-band updates technically. But they're bug fixes and usually no security updates in there. So, it's the way it is in Windows. 2 updates every month, usually the second Tuesday for the security updates. And towards the end of the month, we get the bug fixes. If you don't install the bug fixes, because they are optional for now, but when you don't install them, they do get installed when you have the Windows updates for security. So give it about a week. They have been released in release preview. They are being tested right now. So next week, around the 25th, 26th of October, we should get the bug fixes for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.